Hello guys, my video. It's me Ani from my channel. Welcome to my channel. We are going for a hike today, and we are in our car, almost going there. So yeah, we are hiking today. So now we are at the hiking spot, and to tell you guys, the first what I saw is this huge river. Like, look at the size of it. It looks so dirty. So now we are looking at the map. So I wanted to tell you guys, I don't think you saw very well the river. And look how fast it's going. It's like, I don't know, it's so fast, that part. Like, yeah, that. Like it's going like a flash. Super duper fast. Super duper fast. Now we're hiking, and come with me. It's like very fun today. It looks so cool from here. Look at the river. It's so steep here. You can only hear like water and birds chirping. Slippery, be careful. Just like feel how relaxing the water when yeah, like the water, the sound. It's so relaxing. Now we are hiking, and now what we are going to do is we have explored a lot of things. So now we have a way to go. Now we are going hike from. You see this bridge here? We were in that. How do I say? Like in that place, and then now we are going to this. We haven't explored this yet. We came from there. You see, right over there. Yeah, there. We are hungry and we are eating the sandwich. It's a yummy. Here my father is measuring how deep is the river. So now we have eaten our sandwiches. Now we are going. We have our sticks here. So now, can you see that right there? A waterfall. A small one. A very, very small waterfall. As you see up there, yeah, I think that's a river. the end of our video. We really enjoyed today. We did so many fun things. So, bye.